Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 8007FFFF while you are on your Windows Update. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is you have to click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on System. Scroll down and you will find troubleshoot. Click on that. Click on other troubleshooters. And here you'll find Windows Update with the run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that it will help you detect and spot the problem or issue that you are facing on your Windows. And the best thing is that it will give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So try to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Then for the next method, make a right click at the Start button, select File Explorer. Now, in the list of options on the left pane, click on this PC. Click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows folder. Double click. Scroll down to the S section and you'll find the software distribution folder. This one. Double click and delete everything from here. Press Ctrl+A on keyboard and just simply hit the delete bin at the top to delete the items from here. And once done, just simply close out of here. And for the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then here, type this command sfc /scan now. It's sfc /scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for repair and fix any system corrupted files. So while the process is going on is you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize it but do not close it. And once this is done, close out of here and type CMD again in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Okay, let's open CMD again. Click on Run as Administrator. Then type this command DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. It's DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. So hit the enter key on your keyboard, and while the process is going on is you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize it but do not close it. And here's a tip: if you're getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, just continuously press the space key on your keyboard until the process will continue. And once this is done, make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your window. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.